Watch this video right now before it gets deleted. This is the truth about the most powerful remedy for kidney disease. Gathering here, I've been working with kidney disease patients for almost 10 years now, and on YouTube I mostly make videos about what really helps with chronic kidney disease. I base what I say on hard science, studies conducted on large numbers of patients that get published on peer-reviewed journals. And today we are going to see a remedy I shouldn't actually be talking about. Unfortunately, some people have tried to silence me. I've already got a warning for talking about the exact same remedy I'm showing you today, and one of my videos got demonetized. Now you may ask, why are you still talking about this remedy? Well, because this is probably the most needed remedy for people with CKD in stage 3, 4, and 5. A daily dose of this cheap remedy, which is something you have probably in your pantry, can make your body more alkaline, can lower your serum potassium levels, and can even help patients stop the progression of chronic kidney disease and avoid the need for dialysis. This is not just a simple home remedy. Even if it's something you can buy at the grocery store, this remedy is so powerful against CKD that FDA actually approved it as a treatment for kidney disease. So now you may ask, why is YouTube demonetizing videos about FDA-approved treatments? I really don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I've read the TAS, the community guidelines, as they call them, and found nothing forbidding me to talk about FDA-approved treatments for kidney disease. And yet, they were completely adamant about the demonetization. Okay guys, I've decided that I'm gonna take a huge risk here and talk about this remedy again. This is because I really believe that people with kidney problems should know about it and about how to take it properly. Yes, this remedy can save you from dialysis if you use it properly. This is sodium bicarbonate. Today, I'm also going to dispel some misconceptions. A lot of people here on YouTube are talking about sodium bicarbonate without the proper knowledge, and this misinformation is really dangerous for people suffering from kidney disease. Remember that if you have any disease or if you are taking medications, not all home remedies are safe for you. So don't start using sodium bicarbonate without getting informed about it. Can sodium bicarbonate really make you avoid kidney dialysis? In studies on CKD stage 4 patients, those that took sodium bicarbonate were able to delay dialysis significantly. Patients in stage 4 had 2.3 points decline in eGFR, the main indicator of kidney function, in a year when taking sodium bicarbonate. Those not taking it had, however, a 6.58 decline in eGFR. This is a very significant improvement. This is also why current guidelines state that patients in stage 4 and 5 of chronic kidney disease should take sodium bicarbonate. Now guys, I hope that many of you already know how crucial taking sodium bicarbonate is for kidney health. Even if sodium bicarbonate works and it's safe, I'm not supposed to talk about it here. YouTube is probably going to demonetize and hide this video. People won't be able to find it. So share this video with anyone you know who is suffering from kidney disease. Taking sodium bicarbonate can be a lifesaver for them. And also bookmark my Facebook page because I also upload my videos there in case this video is deleted altogether. Link is in description. Is sodium bicarbonate actually safe? Yes, sodium bicarbonate is perfectly safe. I wouldn't be talking about it otherwise. For kidney patients is, however, better to consult a doctor before taking it or any other remedy. Sodium bicarbonate is actually an FDA-approved medication for certain conditions including kidney disease, as we can see here. Actually, You can also buy sodium bicarbonate at your pharmacy, both in tablets and injectable form. However, it's more common for people to just buy it at the grocery store. Now, a lot of people take sodium bicarbonate off-label by mouth mainly for two reasons, both supported by science. First, there is heartburn, especially caused by eating too much. And also, for sport performance, for example, cyclists were able to go 4.5 minutes further when supplementing sodium bicarbonate. What this means is that sodium bicarbonate is being taken by mouth safely by millions of people. Now guys, even if sodium bicarbonate is perfectly safe, I still recommend you to consult your doctor before starting to take it if you have CKD. Why should you consult a doctor before taking sodium bicarbonate? The most important thing you need to know about sodium bicarbonate and kidney disease is metabolic acidosis. Metabolic acidosis causes kidney damage, but it also causes high potassium levels and also nausea, vomiting, fast breathing, and lethargy. It's a very dangerous condition that's very common in kidney disease, but not everyone has it. Especially patients in stage 3 may be able to control metabolic acidosis with a low protein, alkaline diet alone, without the need for sodium bicarbonate. So, question, how do you know if you need to take sodium bicarbonate? There is a test called serum bicarbonate level test, which you can do to know if you need this remedy. It's also known as the CO2 blood test, and it's usually done as a part the basic metabolic panel, or BMP in short, one of the routine health exams kidney disease patients should do regularly. On your labs, it is usually called TCO2, and the normal range for CO2 is 23 to 29 milliequivalent units per liter of blood. What is the correct dose for sodium bicarbonate? In case your CO2 level is 22 or below, your doctor needs to prescribe you sodium bicarbonate. They should also tell you exactly how much to take and when. 1 gram 3 times per day with water is a common dosage, but your doctor can give you a smaller dose or a bigger one depending on your CO2 levels. We all know that some doctors don't know or don't care, so double check your last blood test and see if you need it. Remember that sodium bicarbonate also contains sodium or salt, so do not take this remedy if you don't need it. Sodium bicarbonate is a remedy that's really helpful in the advanced stages of kidney disease. I really hope you will be able to see this video and that it doesn't get demonetized, aka hidden, by YouTube. This remedy can seriously slow down kidney disease in all patients because it fights metabolic acidosis, one of the most dangerous and common causes of kidney damage. Unfortunately, last time I talked about it, YouTube decided that this one is not actually a remedy but a dangerous prank, which seems strange to me at first because sodium bicarbonate is something that most nephrologists actually prescribe their patients. And also because sodium bicarbonate is perfectly safe, it's actually an approved treatment by the FDA for kidney disease. So this begs the question, why is YouTube demonetizing videos about FDA approved treatments? To which I really cannot answer. Let me know what you think about it down in comment section. Also consider sharing this video, and if you need the info I've provided, consider writing them down. I'm afraid they will take this one down too in the next few days. And if you want to know more about what the best remedies for kidney disease are, my video up here is for you. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.